This year's Aladdin remake was a soulless husk of the original animated classic from the 90s. Everything you loved from the Renaissance era is presented here, but very poorly. The acting was passable but mediocre, the songs were all butchered from the original animated classic, the visual effects are gonna look dated in 5 years, hell the genie already looks dated. On the topic of the genie, Will Smith was the only thing I really liked about this film. Sucks they had to completely edit and overhaul his voice for the singing segments, but whatever. Honestly, if you want to watch Aladdin, just watch the original animated version. There's absolutely nothing wrong with it. It still holds up beautifully, and it has double the effort that this film put half into. As a matter of fact, if it wants half so much, I'll give it half a score. 5 out of 10.